Okay, welcome back, guys. So I think this is going to be episode 57. Yeah, episode 57. Let me turn the volume down. Yeah, so this is episode 57. We have made a bit of progress, but not all that much in the last few days. So our wallet balance has increased to 39,000. Our equity is, I think it increased a small bit. So we're at 33,300. We have 58 positions opened, minus 6,000 in unrealized P&L. So we're still up 3x from about a month ago. We can bring up the P&L analysis when that loads. So go on 30 days and we can go on the bar chart view. And you can see the last 1, 2, 3, 4 days have been basically unvet. Like there's nothing happening in the last 4 days, even in the last 5, 6 days. So it's been a pretty boring ride lately. Still very good returns, right? We had about 10K in the account at the start of the month. It's actually this month now. So yeah, pretty good all overall, but it's been just been a boring few days. I think it's been a tricky part to trade. And we had a pretty big win on Alpaca. You can see we've made 7.8K on this trade. Pretty happy on this. Could have been a lot more, could have been a lot less. But I'm happy with the way I handled it. You can see the way we've been buying and selling and buying and selling. Annoyingly, I sold at the worst time here, right? But who cares, right? It's still, we still made a lot of money on that trade. We're down quite a bit on a few positions. So like FVOG was still down 1,500. Jelly were down, Zora were down, but it's just the way I trade this strategy. So I'll probably actually exit Zora. Now thinking about it, probably have to exit it. Yeah, I'll have a thing. Actually, let me have just looking now at Zora. Do I want to exit Zora? I think I actually do. I'm going to cut this in half. So let's cut this in half. There we go. I think I also want to cut this position FLR. So I'm going to go ahead and close this out. I was previously long $1,000, but I'm going to close this out. I don't think I want to rebalance. Do I want to rebalance Magic? Let's see. Yeah, I might also close this out. Yeah, I'm going to close this out as well. Yeah, the market is looking interesting. I mean, it's looking, I wouldn't say weak is the word, but a lot of altcoins look like they're rolling over. And just with the way momentum works, if momentum starts to shift to the downside, a lot of these altcoins which went up a lot will absolutely get destroyed. So if we see losing momentum, right, across the board, this is okay. You know, a lot of alts will start to really roll over. And yeah, that could be quite painful. So at the moment, yeah, at the moment we've got, let's see, what do we have? Yeah, we've got about 80K of positions open and roughly 50-50. We're net short. We're definitely net short, but maybe by like 10K or so. And yeah, I'm positioned in a way, I think at least, that if we get a mini downward momentum turn or mini crash or flush, whatever you call it, I think our portfolio will do really well. I could be wrong, but I think we'll do super well. Yeah, I think we'll do super well. So that's kind of the hope, right? Because if you actually look at our wallet balance, it's pretty fucking high, like 38k from 10k a month ago, 30 days ago. We just have too much unrealized P&L, and a lot of this is like all of this is mainly coming from shorts. Almost all of it is coming from shorts. So as soon as we get some mini flush, I think we will do really, really well. I probably want to take profit on a couple of shorts actually. Let's see. Probably on Sling, maybe MEXC and Cerebro, I think. Let's take a look. So we've got Cerebro here. I probably want to close. How much do we have? Close like close short. There we go. There we go. I probably want to take some of MEXC as well. So let's close out. I wouldn't say half, but let's close like 40%. And do I want to close Sling as well? I probably do. This is a really good short. Like this shit is going to zero. I mean, I have no idea what this coin is, but it's looking pretty shit. It's down 80% from our initial entry. We can close out like, I mean, the position is almost worthless at this point, but let's just say we're going to close out like 36%. Yeah, just take some of that profit and put it into our wallet balance. Right. Do I want to fuck around with anything else? I don't think so. Yeah, I don't think so. Let's see what else is going on. AGIXT is pumping. Okay. I mean, pumping is it's a big word at this point. Zero is pumping. I'm not sure I know what that is. That layer zero or not? FLM is pumping. FLM is interesting. Do I want to short that? Maybe I do. I think I want to short that. Yeah, I'll short FLM. Let's do like either 500 or 1,000 on this one. Let's do 500 for now. Or let's do like 700. There you go. All right, so FLM, we just entered. I don't think I want to short this one. Troll Soul, whatever the fuck this is. Let's see if we want to short this. Kind of newly listed, so I'm going to avoid. We got PivX as well. It just pumped, what, today, 10%. Let's have a look. Yeah, it's not coming up on here. PivX. Yeah, I've got, it's on Binance Spot. Yeah, we've got some volume coming in. Pretty high volume coming in, but yeah, I don't even think I'm not sure if this is worth shorting, to be honest. Probably worth a little bit, but let me see the history. Yeah, I'm not gonna short that. Yeah, so I think we can just chill in our positions for now. Right now, in terms of the market, right, BTC, let's do a quick recap of where we are at. So yeah, so we've got some key levels to work with. So we've got 100K, and then we have 90K, and then we have 70K, and obviously 80K. So these are the key levels, though psychological round numbers. BTC has been super strong for about a month now. So I wouldn't bet against this trend, right? I still think the trend is up, at least on the monthly time frame. If you zoom out, yeah, there's a bit of headway coming up here. And, you know, no, like the reality is no one knows what's going to happen to Bitcoin if they pretend like they do. You know, they're just a scammer. They're just selling you snake oil. Nobody fucking knows what's going to happen. We can just look to do business in good areas, buy cheap, sell expensive, vice versa, and look for moments when altcoins are going to be easy or when Solana coins are going to be easy. So that's kind of what we're aiming for, or at least what I'm aiming for. And yeah, I mean, this is another key level, like up there, the previous swing high on BTC, which we haven't yet broken through properly. But if I had to bet, like, I think we are looking bullish, or at least I think prices are more likely to go up from here than down from here, at least in the short term. But this is just a terrible area to go long, right? Like we've already moved up, what, 25% from a month ago, and now we're approaching the resistance area. Previous, like we're approaching the area price is broken down from this area. So it's a pretty bad area to enter fresh positions on. Obviously, you can be right, but generally it's a bad area. I think the market is definitely strong. Altcoins strength, I'm not gonna lie, it's way more than I anticipated. Way more than I anticipated. I think a lot of altcoins just should be trading at zero, but they're not. So it's kind of annoying, but that's just the way it is. So I am trying to manage my positions on my other accounts, which I'm short a lot of altcoins on. So trying to manage that as well. But yeah, I'm sizing them correctly, so I'm okay. And obviously, yeah, on our long short account, we're doing fine as well. Well, we're doing more than fine. And yeah, I think the trouble is you got shit like this, like Alpaca, right? Which went up 7x, then it dropped 80%, and then it pumped, what, 10x? Then it pumped 16x on Binance delisting. So yeah, no shit. People are gonna be afraid to short altcoins because they can go up 16x, and yeah, probably just wary of consistent demand because coins can go minus 80% after going up 9x. Like only degenerates would want to be playing this game. That's kind of the reality. We made money on this, but yeah, the market is not exactly straightforward or easy to trade. So that's kind of where I am. I think we're in the sort of middle ground where it's a bit late to long. It's probably too dangerous to short. If you're trading, long short, it's probably good. Like we've been trading mainly long short on this account. We've made 3x in a month. But otherwise, I'm a bit lost, to be honest. And I think if you're lost, this is a pretty good time to take a step back, maybe farm some points on Lighter or some new exchange that will do an airdrop, maybe do some funding arb, maybe go touch grass, study up, do some other shit. I mean, I say this, but then I'm also checking the charts and adjusting positions daily. But that's not for everyone. So yeah, I'm gonna end the stream here. I don't think there's a huge amount to update on, but I think it's nice for me to keep the content going semi-regular, and hopefully that will give you some sort of, maybe some guidance to some of you, or just some sort of reassurance that I'm still doing this. I think I'm the only person on YouTube who's actually sharing everything transparently, like through the P&Ls. And yeah, if you don't see anyone's P&Ls, don't trust them. Anyone can fake demo accounts. Anyone can fake drawing lines on TradingView. Anyone can fake screenshots. If you don't actually see the P&L analysis, they're not actually doing it. Like, you just can't believe them. It's just, you know, fugazi. Anyway, it's your time, your money. At stake, whoever you follow, who you trust, and I just try to be transparent. And yeah, I think I'm going to end this now. If any of you have any questions, ping me on Telegram. That I know some of you leave comments. I don't really spend much time on YouTube, as you can probably tell from my production, production design and effort. And yeah, I'm always online on Telegram and stuff. And yeah, the link is in the description as well. Cool. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.